Hello everyone, my name is Nashiemba Olive, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through drafting a basic shirt block pattern for kids. If you are interested in this, watch till the end. Before you start drafting, you are going to need your measurements, shirt length and the chest measurements. If you have those two measurements, you can draft from there. You are going to rule out 2 inches. These 2 inches will be used for your button extension for the front part of the shirt. So you can rule out these 2 inches and draft your center back and center front from this point. Your neck divided by 12 will give you the measurement you need for your neck, and you're going to slope your shoulder by 1 inch. That is going to be the shoulder slope. To get the measurement for your armhole depth, you are going to divide your chest by 4. After dividing your chest by 4, you are going to add a 1/2 inch for ease. If it's for the adults, it's going to be 1 inch. But for the kids, a 1/2 inch is okay. For the armhole ease, you are going to mark in your chest line, waistline, shirt length, and don't forget the hem line. From that point, you are going to mark in your shoulder to shoulder measurement, and this is going to be divided by 2. After dividing your shoulder measurement by 2, it's going to be a guideline that will help us in drawing in the armhole curve. Square down that line and measure in your chest measurement. Drawing in your chest measurement, please don't forget the ease, because there is the garment ease and there is the wearing ease. Ease in garments is helping in movement, posture, in case you want to put your arm up or down. So for my example, my chest measurement is 23. 23 divided by 4, that will give me something like 6.75. 6.75. After marking that on my pattern, I'm going to add in 2 inches because I want a free shirt. And that's it. We are done drafting the back bodies. And after drafting the back bodies, all you're going to do is draw in your front neck measurement, and this is going to be the back and front bodies drafted together. You're going to trace the back first, then trace the front on a new pattern paper. This will help you get 2 different samples of your pattern. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, like and comment.